Yes, it was a frigid weekend, another frigid morning, but a beautiful sunrise sky. This is captured by Kenneth Johnston in Afton. Many of us awoke to temperatures back in the single digits here this morning and low teens. Here's a nice shot from Chris Scott, and that is the February full moon, which was coming up last night. And of course, a beautiful shot there on that frozen Beaver Creek Lake in western Albemarle. And if you missed it rising last night, well, shortly after 6:40 tonight in the northeastern sky, give it a go because it'll still look pretty prominent. 35 is our current number. We touched 38 this afternoon. That's the first occurrence of a temperature above freezing in about 8 or 9 days for most locations. We'll have average partly cloudy skies here tonight. 29, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. It was 3 this morning and made it up to 33 this afternoon for that afternoon high. Right now we've got 36 in Madison, same in Palmyra, 33 in Livingston, and some upper 20s and low 30s across the Shenandoah Valley. You can see the clear skies we've had throughout much of the day. More clouds will roll in from the west here tonight. Now, it's still plenty cold. It's just not quite as frigid. You know, we acclimate to this after it's been so frigid, but upper teens to low 20s across much of the region. Now, temperatures tomorrow, upper 30s to some lower 40s, and we'll have a little bit of a southwesterly wind ahead of this next system that could bring a little rain or snow mix in here. So in the morning, we are dry and we'll have more clouds thickening up. I think we'll see some sun to start the day, but here we are around 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Some of us may see some rain showers or a mixed snow and rain shower, and then we'll watch tomorrow night as another batch of moisture comes in. Still some discrepancies on does this move farther north or farther south, but the idea is we could still see a rain snow mix or some light snow working across the region well before daybreak and mostly before midnight. But we're really not expecting much with this, maybe a dusting to under an inch for most locations, and it may be very scattered in nature. Behind that system, temperatures will still be above freezing for the afternoon highs. We'll have to watch those morning lows now because we'll have more melting during the day, so there'll be more in the way of black ice occurrence. So things are pretty quiet now. The system that we're watching is up here across Minnesota and the Dakotas, and that little patch of snow is part of that system that will dive off to the south and east, and that will bring us an opportunity for that rain or snow mix in here for tomorrow late afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now, while temperatures are still plenty cold, we are going to see this air mass begin to modify a little bit, so the afternoon highs will have a chance to come back up until we get to this weekend. But again, you can see all these numbers in the positive category. Overall, of course, it's Groundhog Day and it's midwinter fun, but most of this month we're still talking about below average temperatures. Now, this is for next week. There's your temperature outlook, and precipitation outlook for next week is a little bit below average. So temperatures tonight in the upper teens to low 20s under partly cloudy skies. Clouds thicken tomorrow. We'll watch for some late afternoon and evening rain or snow mix across the region, and then you see the temperatures the rest of the week, at least some daytime highs above freezing. Another Arctic front Friday night will knock temperatures down for the upcoming Super Bowl weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.